Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mary David. I bring you wrestling news and gaming news. Last night WWE 2K just released a hype trailer for WWE 2K24, which is the uh, the Immortals, the WrestleMania Immortals Showcase mode. So this trailer we are going to react and see what our insights and our thoughts regarding the trailer. So I'm so excited. WWE 2K24 is coming out on March 8th. It's like 22 days away, so I'm so excited for that. So let's go. React.
There is no way to embellish or exaggerate the enormity of the main event of WrestleMania.
Greatness on a different level.
Oh wait, they got the Fun House. Stone Cold Steve Austin vs Kevin Owens, Charlotte Flair, Rhea Ripley, Cody Rhodes. Wow, we get to relive Hulk Hogan vs Andre the Giant. Shawn Michaels vs Razor Ramon. The Rock vs Stone Cold Steve Austin at WrestleMania 17. Eddie Guerrero vs Kurt Angle, one of my favorite matches. This 20 years ago. And of course, the Firefly Funhouse. The Fiend is in the game. Breaking news.
A night heroes are created.
The match that we always, the mode that we always wanted. 40 years of WrestleMania is back.
Finish the story at WrestleMania.
So it's only 22 days away, chat. 22 days away.
You rolling? Here we go.
22 days away, chat. So I'm so excited by this. So basically, yes, we just saw the trailer and it's kind of hype trailer for me. It's a hype trailer. So we are so excited. We've been demanding for this 30 years of WrestleMania. So yes, the downside of this game is that they did not include The Rock versus Stone Cold Steve Austin at WrestleMania 19, which that's kind of a bummer for me. Yeah, um they did not include The Rock versus Stone Cold Steve Austin at WrestleMania 19. They only included that the WrestleMania 17 matches that they have. Also, they did not include also their match at WrestleMania 15, their first match together. So that's a downside for me in this 40 years of WrestleMania mode. But nonetheless, chat, it's kind of exciting for me. Not just for me, but for everybody else who's been collecting WWE games since 2K14. So yes, we are excited for this regarding the matter because we got only like 22 days away or 23 days away till WWE 2K24 comes out. And I'm gonna get the game. I'm gonna do the unboxing when the game gets here. So basically chat, I'm so excited for this game. I hope you guys uh get the game as well so you can enjoy it for yourselves. And yes, basically this is so exciting for us wrestling fans. 2K has just give us the mode that we wanted since 2K14 and demanded it for years, which is the 40 years of WrestleMania mode. Not only that, we demanded that or requested that we get new match types and they did. 2K just 2K just fruition it. We got four matches. Special referee, uh, I gauntlet match, casket match, and special referee. That's about four matches in total, and I am so excited for that. And yeah, I hope you get the game. I'm going to get the game as well. So yeah, that is our initial insights and reactions for WWE 2K24 comes out on March 8th for the standard and March 4th for the deluxe edition. So, if you want to learn more or keep up with the latest gaming news regarding wrestling, not just wrestling, we cover a bunch of gaming, gaming stuff in here. PlayStation foremost, and yeah, that is it, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Peace out.